Hi there, this is Steve from STO N SHO. We're out here today at Porsche and we're doing a fitment on the 2024 Macan 4 electric. He's just recently came out, and this will be a no drill, but it did require some engineering to make this base plate because you can't mount it in the center. It's got a camera there, so it's got to be this one we mounted off on the passenger side here in the middle. But yeah, there's definitely some engineering involved in getting this done, so we'll go ahead and show you the fitment. I'll go ahead and turn it over to Mike.
Alright, thanks Steve. So like Steve said, this is going to be factory screws, and but we won't be reusing them, we'll just be using those locations. But we've got the sun in my eyes here, so it'll be a little tricky. So we're going to be taking out two torch head screws, and we're going to be replacing them. These are a T25. So, oh, there's the other one right there. So we're going to be removing these, but we will not be reusing them. We'll be replacing them with a different screw. So we're going to take the base plate. We're going to be using, there they are, two 4.8 by 25s with 1/8" spacers. So we're going to be putting that screw, it's kind of backwards from what we normally go, spacer on top. Hopefully I didn't get too close where it went out of focus on you. And we'll be putting those, start one side, very important, but then start the other side. Again, you don't want to just put one in and tighten it up. So once they're both started, then you can go ahead and tighten them up. And I apologize for forgot the way we're having to do this fitment. I got the sun hitting me right in the face, so it's kind of hard to see. So these are going into metal J-clips, so you'll be able to tighten them up just fine. There you go, nice and snug. As you can see, that's not going anywhere. Then when you're all done, you can take your front plate. You're going to slide it into the tubes and then just push it till it clicks into place, and there you go, you're all done.
And make sure for maintenance to lubricate the pull pin from time to time. If you do go through a car wash, make sure you remove the front there. And yeah, this one, the base is pretty much sits off all the way to the left, and then in order to center the bracket, we had to move the base, so it is a little tricky. So when you're doing an installation, make sure that you get the right screws. You're taking out the right screws. So, and there, yeah, it sits in the middle, so your license plate will go on the front plate there, and your fitment is done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.